Overnight, Wall Street was closed in observance of the President's Day holiday, also known as Washington's birthday. This Tuesday morning, GIFT Nifty is trading sideways. That's on backdrop of Nifty recovering from yesterday's morning losses and ending above the dotted lines and most importantly, snapping 8 days of losing streak. The big question, will the said gains last? We suspect Nifty may waver in Tuesday's trade, but that said, the bias should remain positive amidst technical oversold conditions. Please note, Nifty is down 2.9% this calendar year 2025. The broader markets continue to be major underperformers as this calendar year 2025, the Nifty Midcap 100 Index have plunged 12.38% lower while the Nifty Small Cap Index crashed 17.88% lower. The biggest negative catalyst hurting sentiments are FII's net sellers in this calendar year 2025 to the tune of Rs 1,00494 crores. The negative takeaway is that this year, FIIs have been buyers only into trading session. Bottom line, we will spy with one big eye if FIIs return to their buying desk. Now, what can bring back the Nifty bulls? Probably excessive pessimism. The 4 positive catalysts. 1. President Donald Trump has postponed taking immediate action on tariff front. 2. Media reports suggests that President Donald Trump along with Russia President Vladimir Putin and Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky are willing to begin discussions to end the conflict that has cost more than 1 million lives. 3. WTI oil prices have tumbled below the $71 a barrel. 4. Lastly, please note, the RBI has slashed interest rates, and as interest rates continue to fall on backdrop of cooling inflation, Nifty bulls should keep in mind that plenty of money is tied up in money markets will find their way back into equities, resulting into massive short covering and value buying. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3938 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 4760 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are aiming for lower high-low on the daily charts. FNO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has flared up towards 15.72 levels. At last check, USD INR was in demand, now at 86.98. Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.83 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.74. Nifty outlook, Nifty bulls will aim to regroup on any excessive morning weakness. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 2960. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,725 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,250 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22750 and 23150. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 49-59. Bank Nifty's make or break support seen at 48,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,900 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48750 and 49750. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Well, this week's biggest catalyst surrounds around the FOMC minutes to trickle in this Wednesday, 19th February. The FOMC minutes are likely reveal a hawkish Federal Reserve and affirm the diminished expectations for interest rate reduction this year. Meanwhile, despite yesterday's rebound, Nifty continues to trade below its psychological 23,000 mark. Technically, confirmation of strength only above Nifty's biggest hurdles at 24,054 mark, which is also the benchmark's 200 DMA. Now, when it comes to defensive stocks, healthcare usually takes a front seat at Dalal Street. Here are 3 pharma stocks posting decent Q3. 1. GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals are in limelight amidst strong Q3 results. The company posted consolidated net profit to Rs 230 crore as compared to Rs 46 crore a year ago. 2. Glenmark Pharma is also on radar after reporting a net profit of 348 crore rupees for Q3 FY25, a significant turnaround from a Rs 351 crore loss in the previous year. Revenue increased by 35% YoY to Rs 3,388 crore. Strong performance in the India and Europe markets contributed to the growth. 3. Zydus Life Sciences, plus 2.44%, gained amidst value buying and after receiving a clean chit from the US FDA for its Ahmedabad unit.